Hey guys, we got off to pick up a Datsun, a rare 810 Coupe Triple S. We're going to visit my friend Philip. He has a 810 Coupe parked up in his shed for a few years, and he decided to move it on. And I was thinking maybe it's good to have a side project again, and we're going to have a look and likely to pick it up. Here we go, guys. We're going to pick up the Datsun. Wow, there she is. Hey, Philip. How are you? Not too bad? Wow. What you got ready for us in here? She looks amazing already. I love these tapes. These are beautiful, very nice and safe. Look at the wheels. It's gonna keep us busy for a while. These cars are apparently rare.
Yes, it
These
is.
810s. 1978? 1978. Does the engine turn on? Wow, it's already running smooth. Look at this thing. Dash, nice, uncracked, intact. Genuine radio, cassette player, which you cannot find the cassette. Look at this, seats, got a rip in there. Apparently this thing's been in a family since brand new. 2-liter engine, 5-speed gearbox, manual as you can see. It's got tow bar, which is gonna come off. And we got some beautiful toys in here you don't wanna see. Underneath. Already got a straight plate. I'm gonna drive it.
Yeah, they only bring 500 of them to Australia.
Wow.
Yep.
Only 500 of these cars came to Australia.
Doors, yeah.
2 doors.
And I don't know how many of them were manual and how many of them
Automatics.
that much information I don't have, but I know that they bring only 500 of them.
Only 500, guys. Only 500 of these 810s in Australia. Day one. Just God knows how many of them survive. We're gonna survive one of them and save him. See how we go. Stick with us. Let's get these things out. Manual. It doesn't look like it has manual choke. Wow, it's going, man. This car is going. Thank you very much, Philip.
Don't forget, this tire, now and then, once a week or twice a week.
I'll pump it up.
Yeah, pump it up.
Sure.
It goes down.
Does he have manual choke?
No, it's automatic choke.
Hi, Rip. Thank you. Bye bye.
See you, buddy.
Catch up soon after all these things. Nice and squeaky. Squeaky, squeaky Datsun. Let's go home, have fun. She took us home with no drama before it gets dark. That's amazing. She's rough around the edges. But she's gonna be alright soon. Look, guys. Actually, look, not too bad. She definitely got the potential. Thank you for watching, guys. Stick around. If I get a chance, I'll put some videos during repair.